What's going on, YouTube?
What's up? I'm so excited, I'm sorry.
So excited you forgot your name?
Oh, I'm Sharice.
We're supposed to do like, hey YouTube, you know.
Okay, hey YouTube, I'm Sharice, he's Corey, we're the tech couple, and I'm so excited!
Whoa. Yeah, why are you excited?
Today is HomePod day, are you kidding me? Who isn't excited?
So yeah, we're going to unbox, set up, turn on, give you our first impressions. If you want to see more, of course, let us know. There will be more, but
Definitely.
This is just like one of those.
Wham bam, thank you ma'am. Let you guys see it as we're seeing it. And you may be asking, why do you have not one, not two, but three? Three of these.
Why do we have three?
Why not? I mean, they may not interface with each other yet.
Oh ho ho!
Operative word being yet.
Not yet, but
they will. So why not have them already? Okay, enough talking. Let's open these.
which one do you want to do first?
That one.
You want to go space gray?
Well, just ruin it for the people. They didn't know what color that was yet.
Well, I mean, it was 50-50 shot.
Oh, well,
I mean, we can lie and open up.
just open it. I'm so excited.
Oh, I don't know what's top and bottom.
I'm assuming this would be the top.
Oh, look,
Ooh.
that's kind of.
This is fancy. Okay. Okay.
How does it?
Oh my gosh. Y'all, if you've seen any of our other videos, you know that one of us is good at unboxing things and one
It's
of us
fragile.
That's why.
There.
Look at it.
There. So obviously, they will be the exact same experience on the others. So there's not really a need to unbox those.
We can magically make them all be here.
Yeah, let's do that.
Yeah, let's do that.
Ta-da!
There's three now.
There's three. So
I guess there were three before, but now there's three. Sorry.
All right. So now that all three are there, you still want to do?
Whatever you want.
Ooh. Let me close my eyes like I don't know where L and M are. Which one did I pick?
Mine.
So that's a big old fingerprint. Go ahead.
All right.
Pop the top.
It says to pull here. Okay. I'm weak.
Don't be me.
Even with that, I'm still not sure.
That's how you feel on a HomePod day.
Look, it just fell open. Okay. Oh, it comes up.
Ooh.
Oh, wow, this is heavy. This is heavier than I thought it was gonna be.
I see.
I mean, did you wash your hands or?
If you don't take your HomePod back, this is heavy.
It's heavier than you would think, right?
Here. Show it to the camera like you're holding up Simba from The Lion King.
Everything the light touches is your kingdom.
So, we're gonna regroup, and like when I say regroup, I mean we're gonna move that away. No, let's open up the space gray, because I don't know, I think that's going in the bedroom.
Sure.
Yeah, it's going in the bedroom, so. I don't know.
Whichever way, okay, so things are moving. Okay.
And then we'll give you some sexy B-roll of both of them. You just want center stage? This is how you feel?
I mean, it was in the middle before, continuity.
Oh.
I know, right? Really?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, that is black. That is not space gray.
That's like space black.
That is black. Okay, it may not look black on camera, y'all, but this is black, and that is white. The end.
All
Show
right.
the people.
Oh yeah. Was it everything?
Get your own thing.
I present to you
The black one.
the black one. You told me to get my own thing, then you steal my thing? So, insert sexy B-roll, and we'll catch you in setup in a second. Oh, before we do that, pick left or right.
Left.
Left it is. Funky light flickering. So, for comparative purposes, if anyone has an iPhone 10 is wondering how tall that guy is, it's like, it's pretty small. It's not as big as I thought it would be.
That's what she said.
Haha! She better not.
I mean, she didn't say that, but that she said.
All right, so let's set up, get some B-roll, and we'll see you in like a split second.
All right, so it's plugged up. About to go ahead and pair it. This popped up automatically on the phone. Okay. This is, yeah, we have a lot of stuff. Okay, living room. Personal requests. Allow anyone to use this HomePod to send and read messages, add reminders, create notes, and more with this iPhone when it's connected to the same Wi-Fi network. So this addresses the privacy concerns. People have talked about how some technology, and especially Apple, that this could be a potential privacy issue because it's connected to your phone or one specific phone that's paired with it. And this is basically saying, not necessarily. You don't have to let other people access your stuff. So it's pretty cool. Even though Corey better make sure I can access his stuff. All right, terms and conditions, just, I agree. I probably just signed my soul away. Okay, use your iCloud account, sure. Oh, that's pretty. That reminds me of the movie of Her, right? Corey?
Yes.
Yes. Yeah, that reminds me of that. It's been a pretty painless process so far, though. Oh, look, bam,
Hi,
done.
I'm Siri. Welcome to HomePod. You can't tell, but I'm waving. To get my attention, say, "Hey Siri, let's try it." Say, "Hey Siri, what can you do?"
Hey Siri, what can you do?
I can do lots of things, like turn on the lights, give you a news update, and tell you about the weather. Now you try. Say, "Hey Siri, play some music."
Hey Siri, play some music.
Okay, here's a personal radio station built just for you. Starting with Bobby V, remember, anytime you have a question, just say, "Hey Siri."
I don't know if that's a good personal station for me though.
Hey Siri, play a different song.
Okay, let's hear Roleplay, featuring Red Cafe by Bobby V.
What?
You like Bobby Valentino a lot, huh? Hey Siri, play Hello by Adele.
Now playing Hello by Adele.
Okay, she knew that one. Okay, she's 1 for 3. 1 for 5 if you include all that Bobby Valentino. Hey Siri, what's the weather like outside?
It's currently clear and 44 degrees in Greensboro. Expect mostly clear skies starting in the afternoon. Today's high will be 55 degrees and the low will be 44. My weather data is provided by the Weather Channel.
Siri, plug in the source. Hey Siri, play Young and Menace by Fall Out Boy.
Here's Young and Menace by Fall Out Boy.
Hey Siri, what time is it?
The time is 10:57 a.m.
Hey Siri, who won the Duke game last night?
Duke just barely lost to North Carolina in the Battle of Tobacco Road yesterday. The final score was 82-78.
Hey Siri, pause the music. Oh, I thought she was going to say something. I was sitting there waiting for an audible response, but clearly she paused the music. She can hear really well, even though that was kind of loud. I know it's really difficult to discern that on video, but that was up, not all the way, but it was up a decent bit. And she could still hear me, for the most part, through all of that, even with my back turned and me talking into a very echoic, large, and empty room.
So in a nutshell, or pod.
Oh, that was awful.
That was a dad joke.
And you already did.
So that was the HomePod, our first impressions. It sounds
freaking great.
For a device this small?
Yeah, it has so much bass. It has a lot more bass than I thought it would. I knew that all the other reviews said that it was gonna sound great, but it really, really does.
Yeah, I think the other thing was, you saw how far Charisse was from the HomePod with her back to it? Speaking at just kind of regular speaking voice, maybe not even as loud as we're talking now, over music, Shay was able to respond accordingly.
Yeah.
Yeah,
happy with this purchase.
Definitely happy with this purchase. Of course, we all know that it's not as smart as some of the competition. It sounds better
there you go.
Than the competition. We did go check out the Google Home Max, and I'm probably willing to say the Google Home Max is louder.
Absolutely. But that thing is also louder. Like 4 times the size.
I don't know if I'd say it sounds as clear. But not saying it doesn't sound good. The Google Home Max was definitely impressive.
It was.
But I don't think it sounds as crisp as the HomePod. But I don't have one in our house, so.
It sounded really good though.
But it did sound great.
I think they're drawing comparisons because of the price point, not necessarily being identical products in the market. The HomePod's obviously a much smaller footprint, so that's also something to consider. They are comparable at price, with one being $350 and the other being $400, but really kind of depends on what you want. If you're Apple users like us, then the HomePod may be a more natural progression. If you're not an Apple user, then the HomePod's kind of out of the question, because this thing will really only pair with Apple products. You can't use an Android to control it.
Doesn't support Bluetooth. Everything from the phone is transmitted via AirPlay, or of course things that are natively located on the HomePod. So of course, what did you guys do? Did you guys pick up HomePods? Were you thinking about it? On the fence? Do you have Echoes, Homes, Home Minis, Echo Dot, Echo Show, any of that jazz? Let's start the conversation down in the comment section below. If you're not already subscribed, Charisse likes to say,
what you doing? Go ahead and click that button and make that happen. There's also a little notification bell. That way you can be informed when we have more content, and we will definitely have some more content specific to the HomePod coming up soon once we've had a chance to really set them all up and kind of hear how they work. So yeah.
Of course, again, that pretty lady.
I'm Charisse.
I'm the average Joe Corey. It didn't work twice. Didn't work twice. I tried it. Together we make the tech couple. And we'll see you guys again
in the next one. Dang it! We cannot get that together. We'll see y'all. Bye.
Later.